Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got a container containing helium at a temperature of 38 degrees Celsius and the gauge pressure of 141 kPa. Heat is absorbed from the surroundings. The final temperature is 201 degrees Celsius. The atmospheric pressure is 101 kPa. What is the final gauge pressure of helium? Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, find the gauge pressure formula. So P gauge is equal to P final minus the atmospheric. Step 4, find the final pressure formula. So P final is equal to P initial multiplied by the temperature ratio. So that's T final divided by T initial. So these are given, and we just need to plug and play. So step 5, find P final. So initial pressure is given. We add the atmospheric pressure. Since it is helium, we're going to assume it's ideal gas. So that's why we have to convert our temperature to absolute. So we will get 368.83 kPa. Step 6, we can now find the final gauge pressure. So it'll be the final pressure minus the atmospheric pressure, and we get 267.83 kPa for our final gauge pressure. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video or I guess make a note of this video, just in case this channel or video gets taken down. While I follow copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you've never used snipping tool before, you can follow these steps. If you're on a Mac or Linux, use the equivalent of snipping tool. So click on your icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square and snipping tool to start recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Because this is a made-up video, they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.